Now you notice up at the top here that the Joomla logo is showing. And if you want to replace this, the easiest way to do it is to overwrite it on the server. That way it will load right up for you. Now keep in mind it's not going to do it if you change your template. So pick the template you're going to want to use first, then come back here and change it then. So what we'd want to do is go back to the template and then we'll look in here. And we'll edit the CSS. And by looking in here, we should be able to find where the header is. Okay, so let's have a look here. I'm going to click Edit. And we'll look for the header. Okay, so we'll go down till we see the logo URL. Okay, so we have a division logo. Okay, so this is our actual logo here, and it's located within the template directory underneath the template called whatever this template is called, Rick something. You will, inside images, you will find this, and this is the one we need to replace. Now if we use this name for our logo and make sure it's a PNG type of file, there is no need to change the template here. If we want to actually upload it to somewhere else and use it, all we would have to do is put the path that we uploaded the file to here. So we would change this to where it actually is. So I'm going to demonstrate this by creating a image, and we're going to upload it and show you how to change that. Okay, so I've typed the path to the image in my browser window. So it is where my site resides / templates / the name of the template, which is rook / Milky Way / images / mwjoomla.logo.png. You don't need to remember that. I'm just showing you what it looks like by doing that. So we'll go to the site, and here is the image. So if we do an image properties, let's see, it's 298 by 75, and it already said that in the controls sheet that we were just looking at, CSS, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm just showing you that we are looking at the right image. Okay, so I'm going to want to create an image the same size, or use another image and size it the same size. So what I will do is I will open up a program that's free called Paint.net. You can download it for nothing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my image that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to use the truck image. So I'll do an open, and we'll just say we're going to use this one. Now what we want to do is go to image first, go to resize, and have a look at the size. So right now it's 140 by 88. Okay, so that's less than, go back here, look at the properties again because I forgot. It's 298 by 75. So we got to get this bottom one down to 75. Okay, so that'll be the size of the image, but we can change the size of the canvas. We can make the canvas 298 by 75. Okay, there's our logo. This is just a quick example of how to build one, but and then we could put another layer on here, and then we could add some text to it if we wanted, or whatever we want to do. This is not an intensive lesson on how to use Paint.net. I'm just giving you a quick show of how to do this. Okay, and then we can set the font size up here. reviews. Okay, I'm sure this could be done a lot better, but this is just a quick example. So we'll do File, Save As. And now we want to save it as a PNG. And then we want to name it the same as this image. So we'll do the properties again. And then copy this. Paste that in there. Save. Flatten. Okay, that is now created. Now, if we go to our FTP program, FileZilla, okay, on this side we have Joomla test, and then from in here we need to go to templates, and then we're using this Rook Milky Way. Okay, and then inside there we have images. We're just following the path that it told us in the CSS. And then if we roll down here, we have one called my Joomla logo.png. That now resides within this directory. There it is. So we'll upload, overwrite. Now if we go back here, refresh. There it is. So that's how you change your logo to be something custom.